FluoRender tutorial. Semi-automatic tracking. This video demonstrates the new workflow for semi-automatic tracking in FluoRender. It is based on a new 4D script. So, go to 4D script in the Movie/Export panel and enable 4D script. Also, select the script track_semi-auto. Then, you only need to select structures to track from each time point. In order to select the cells more easily from this example, lower the saturation to brighten it a little. To demonstrate, we select 5 cells at the center of this example. Hold the Shift key to enter brush mode and paint on the cells. Advance to the next time point by the keyboard shortcut D. Clear the selection by the shortcut key C and repeat the selections. Notice that you don't have to select all cells in order. If the selection masks indicated by the teal color cover all cells, because they haven't moved very much, you can directly advance to the next time point. Reselect the cells when they move outside of the masks. Or, you can add or remove the selected regions using the brush or eraser tools. The key here is that the brush-defined mask regions help segment the cells. Then, FluoRender knows how to link them correctly. Since the new 4D script handles from segmentation to ID linking, a user only needs to pay attention to selecting structures. The previous auto ID assign and linking buttons have been therefore replaced and completely removed. The new semi-automatic tracking script also has the advantage of being able to track multiple targets in one pass. For the last several time points in this example, we reselect the cells to make sure their movements are captured accurately. In practice, whether the cells are reselected is determined by the accuracy. Repeat the process until the last time point. To view the tracking result, switch the 4D script to track_selected_results and play back the time sequence.